Okay, so next what I'm going to show you how to do is going through the content and making it fresh. So this is all the same content other than we changed the city name and the province. All the content is exactly the same. So each of these boxes here you can see have their own settings. So let's go into the first one here. Okay, so we can leave the header the same, it's fine. But what we want to change is the content with inside. So you can come down here, you can see this is where all the content is. If you make changes here, it'll actually come out and change everything that's in here. So let's just go in, and this is how you make content original. So for example, right here it says whether you're stranded and need roadside help, have heavy equipment that needs moving, or need vehicle removed from your private property, or unique line of tow trucks. And experienced tow technicians make us the best tow truck service provider in Regina, Saskatchewan. So what you want to do is come in here and mix these words up just to make it original. Just watch me as I go through it, and you can kind of see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so essentially all I did was come in here and you can see how I mixed the words up just to make it unique. Also what we want to do is take this link out. I just want to unlink that. So what you do is sometimes it doesn't give you the option to remove the link. So you have to come in and actually manually delete it. So delete that and then OK, and now that link is gone. And then we want to come in here and do the same thing for roadside. See if there is actually a link. You can click the link there is. So come here and delete that link. Again, that's what's going to happen is you're going to click the settings icon and come down after the settings and click link. You can see that there's a link there. You can delete that. And same thing with auto locksmith. Okay. And save that. So what you want to come do is freshen this content up here, this content here, come here and get into here and freshen this content up. This is fine, you can leave this the way it is, but when you see sentences and sentence structure, you just want to come in here and switch the content up as you go. But leave the keywords in there, which is things like towing, towing services, etc. You can see right here, this is not, I didn't save this, so one sec. Okay, and then this. Delete that, and this. I added images. I don't know why. I think what I did was reactivated an old version. Okay, hold on. Alright, okay, Van City, I'll take that out. Okay, I think this looks good. Other than these two photos I gotta add again, which I have them in the library, so you should be able to just... There they are. Okay, I think that's done. Okay, we can move on to the next page after you get done and making all this content unique. So when you come out of this, you exit Visual Builder and then save and exit.